It was a perfect afternoon on the emerald green lawn. William felt the soft blades of grass beneath his feet as he gripped his favorite possession in the world. With a mighty heave, he rolls the bright red ball across the yard. It glimmers under the warm sun, bouncing playfully. William laughs, his voice filled with pure childhood joy as he chases the rolling sphere. He stops for a moment to look at his loyal companion. "Chewy, look at it go, Chewy," he shouts. For just 1 second, William turns his head away to share the moment. In that brief window of time, the ball continues its slow journey, rolling quietly until it comes to a dead stop right behind the leg of a white lawn chair. The trap is set for a grand mystery. William turns back around, his smile ready, but his eyes find only empty space. The ball is gone. William gasps, his mouth forming a perfect O of surprise. He dramatically puts both hands on his head, wondering how a bright red ball could simply vanish into thin air. He looks to the left, then he looks to the right, scanning the horizon like a seasoned detective. A whimsical slide whistle sound echoes through the air, mocking his confusion. "Chewy, help! We have a crisis!" He calls out, waving his friend over. Chewy trots over with great importance, ready to solve the crime. The dog begins his investigation with extreme focus. He looks under a tiny leaf, as if the large ball could be hiding beneath it. He sticks his nose deep inside a small toy bucket, sniffing loudly. Meanwhile, the red ball remains clearly visible, sitting mockingly behind the chair leg just inches away. Chewy ignores it completely, choosing instead to sniff a random patch of dirt with intense curiosity. The music shifts to a sneaky, tiptoe plucking melody, highlighting their hilarious failure. William and Chewy finally give up, sitting back to back on the grass. They look completely stumped, scratching their heads in perfect synchronization. Just as they are about to lose all hope, a shimmering stream of bubbles floats into the frame. They catch the light, turning into tiny floating rainbows. The bubbles drift lazily through the air, dancing on a gentle breeze. William and Chewy are mesmerized, their eyes locked on the floating spheres. The bubbles float directly over the lawn chair, hovering for a moment right above the missing treasure. William and Chewy follow the path with their eyes, moving in slow motion. They look down. There it is! The red ball is found. They both let out a giant, exaggerated gasp of excitement that could be heard across the neighborhood. A triumphant trumpet chime sounds out, signaling their victory over the mystery. The tension breaks into pure adrenaline as they realize the ball was right there all along. William jumps up with a burst of energy. He grabs the red ball and holds it high above his head, like a shining trophy. "I found it!" he cheers. He is so overwhelmed with giggles that he falls backward into the soft grass. Chewy bounces around him in circles, barking with delight. More bubbles fill the air, creating a magical celebration. They both turn toward the camera, breaking the fourth wall with a big friendly wave. "See you next time," William seems to say with his smile. He rolls the ball directly toward the lens, and the bright red color covers the screen entirely. The afternoon ends with the sound of upbeat cheering, clapping, and the infectious sound of a happy child giggling as the world fades to black.